Kasasi to the Fiaprehene'S as a Fiaprehene'S. We own it. Captain Pierre be a Chassa Obia. And I'm inside Obia. It's Obia to be trying to be and Cassa. So we come out here and look for Mobi. Nasani Pano and some house and some might know what your mommy. It's not right.
Me de otumfo Asanteman. Some me Ajmambadu and Tosumienu, Dormaahene'S, Bono president. Ma otimi yesa nipa we manhene. Abra menha na sesebe fa. Danwa wa mesori makonwa na Bonofo bede mam. Na sorry so.
So I'm kind of from money put in just say the application by house and I'm going to I won't see and I'm to for two as a chair ya be any after Asante because of oh yeah my
Adentina Obrempon professor one kobono and matrankonya Regional House of Chiefs ko di catch man mehu say Regional House of Chiefs etime bo modern amobinya sa title ye man hin aden wan ko ho na Asante e no bae
yo minua medawase Fiaprehene'S owo Bono region no ena Bono region no Regional House of Chiefs enti opeman hena hone esese udi kanko edi kodan wo Fiaprehene'S koy
oh okay
okoho ohwe letiwa ekitabia Fiapre chairman ponsan stool Fiapre ahimfie PO box 1473 Sunyane date 12 March 2014.
Okay.
The Registrar, Regional House of Chiefs, Bonokyempim Region, DSA. Application for information on the status of Fiaprehene'S 2. I am the chief of Fiaprehene'S, the occupant of Chairman Ponsan's stool, Fiaprehene'S. My stool is independent and not a member under any traditional council. I wish your office to confirm my stool's status as an independent stool, as my stool does not swear oath of allegiance to any stool. Thank you, yours faithfully, Nana Opoku Ababio, Fiaprehene'S chief.
Mama nchire mu kakra bi. Krate sa wo hra Fiaprehene'S mfimpim bienu ene adunan ene dunan na koyan se vinhia dunie. Na satem no wo mo de koya na asema wo ka nyina tintini nti a wane se Fiaprehene'S akonwa eye ochem akonwa no sabia ko to ede ne ho ensom obi a na enhye obi ase enu nti osre nananom atrankonwa wo mo bono emantem sebraso se afedie ne kura no wo mo ma ne de ne ho se de obede ne ho na waba abaye oman hene na enema nyina timi akonkan e na oda wo mase eho ana enya sa na asemiti
Pepe.
okay
Or the koi. At the command Regional House of Chiefs.
okay
Bonokyempim Regional House of Chiefs. Responser.
omonso de bae
The bae.
okay
Bonokyempim Regional House of Chiefs. PO Box 81 Sunyane. This letter, Yetrono, 9th April 2014. Nana Fiaprehene'S, they are not called March. April, and they responded. Nana Opoku Ababio, chief of Fiaprehene'S, addressee on the Krate Komano. Reference: application for information on the status of Fiaprehene'S 2. Your letter dated 12 March 2014 refers. Please, to inform you that the House is unable to confirm or otherwise the status of Fiaprehene'S 2 because the town is not represented in the House, either a divisional council or a traditional council. As such, there is no document to that effect in the House. Signed by Stephen Owusu, Assistant Research Officer for Registrar. Odekoye.
But some pepe no almost so they anu ye buy.
Yes. Ye ne records be a ha. Regional House of Chiefs, I say. O Fiapre, o ye mine hene, and now o ye brempong. I will share mine hene be as. So per this letter crown, I said, se Fiapre eshe mine hene be as. Send a brempong, and I need the crew crown. Nko wo records ho nko because that hene no obegeze no
Sir.
Enti say on records ho there it means say
so odene ho an
odene ho
wow krata wa
no ya de krata wow twere ye nu
se muni abakwase na say records bi e da wo kire say wo hye wo hini bi ase ana se wo yo brimpo bi ana it is any on show bi ase de amede me
on show bi ase mo o ta say
pa
eno anso ha enna mokotu committee say yanya nhwehwemu committee no yanya nhwehwemu na Fiapre the application no kwa say open man hene no aman hene miensa kotiam eye sunyan domase number 1 man hene okotiam ena awua domase man hene ono nso kotiam ena sunyan man hene ono nso kotiam na bitiam sa no a na che se ye research committee of inquiry na ye nhwehwemu what I say committee of inquiry no sabre na mem krom hene na no wo ho no ye vice president regional house of chiefs or no nhwehwemu no ka ho bi nhwehwemu no ko wie se Fiapre awua domase onte wasa ase so wan kwanche no ono ni abusua bia ena eoha mekenkan ena odumase number 1 dumase number 1 so Fiapre nhye wase per research a o me Fiapre nhye wase Fiapre hema bi ena koware dumase number 1 hene
okay
what I say baba ye dentrafo musume ye dentrafo de but wan kwanche be ena sunyan so o de ko say oni Fiapre for twemanso ewo asase ho ena committee no rule say asase ho manso no has nothing to do
with that
Paramountcy no
okay ese ahemfo mensa wo mutie mu nyina badifo
very good badifo committee no report no ama ena Fiapre demanded say monfa report no mra ena house no memfa say you dissolve because ya to abayi new ena Asante committee for Fiapre the kodan you here 2014 ne
2024 ne
how many years
10 years
no Fiapre twin sa dawere no wo banka ne nka oye biji jesu
oba wachima
very good what you say ena musan kote committee of inquiry review say monhwehwe
asem no mu
bio ena Fiapre for say no nananuma tonkunwa Fiapre say the earlier report no moma nya copy because ya transem no so ha copy no ankusiaga na moti committee foforo na sa committee no etna asem no so be report ni Bono Regional House of Chiefs Sunyane report on the status of Fiapre's background me can entertain
okay
also the Bono Regional House of Chiefs on 25th October 2017 received a letter with reference number BA/REG/801/1/17 on the subject introduction of Fiaprehene from Nana Donyina Kusi II, Kronti-hene of Fiapre. In the said letter, the Kronti-hene introduced Obrimpon Professor Asanteman II as the newly installed chief of Fiapre, and thus requested the House to process his chieftaincy declaration form for registration by the National House of Chiefs, even though no such forms were attached to the said letter. The House referred the matter to the Research and Traditional Affairs Committee for deliberations and necessary action. The Research and Traditional Affairs Committee, upon referral to it, deliberated on the issue and recommended that since there is no information available to the House on the status of the Fiaprehene'S tool, the surrounding traditional councils should be informed about the request. The committee was of the view that the responses from the nearby traditional councils will help to ascertain the status of the Fiaprehene'S tool. The full House, at its general meeting held on 8th February 2018, approved the recommendation of the Research and Traditional Affairs Committee and directed the Registrar of the House to notify the 4 nearby traditional councils, namely Odomase number 1, Suatre and Sunyane, for their comments, if any, on the request by the Fiaprehene'S tool. Pursuant to the directives of the full House, the Registrar of the House wrote to the aforementioned traditional councils for their concerns. 3 of the traditional councils, namely Odomase, Sunyane, and Odomase number 1, sent their various responses to the House. Dawson. Intimate findings.
Yeah.
Findings of the committee. The findings of the committee were as follows. 1. Sunyane's 2 versus Fiaprehene'S 2. The committee, upon thoroughly perusing the evidence of both parties, realized that there was a land dispute between Sunyane's 2 and Fiaprehene'S 2, which has no relation with any impediment on the registration of a chief.
Okay.
Number 2, Odomase number 1's tool versus Fiaprehene'S 2. The committee also noticed that the relationship that exists between the parties is father and son. The parties accept that Fiaprehene'S 2 is the son of the Odomase number 1's tool. Also, the parties accept that Fiaprehene'S land was given by Odomase number 1 Hene, his father. Very good. Number 3, Domase's 2 versus Fiaprehene'S 2. The Domase's 2 claim that Fiaprehene'S 2 owe allegiance to them. The Fiaprehene'S 2, on the other hand, debunked the claim. The committee noticed that this dispute or misunderstanding have been pending between the parties for a long time, and no forum had determined the matter for the parties to establish their claim.
Okay.
And now, recommendation by the committee. The Research and Traditional Affairs Committee does not have the mandate to make determinations on matters of allegiance between chiefs. The committee therefore recommended that the parties be advised to take a matter to the appropriate forum for determination, and thereafter the committee will act accordingly.
Okay. Findings na hear me.
Yeah.
Sir, the woka ba ko bi na be piem wa ba eni ka na ye nhya ase. Your friend say Sunyan de na ose asase bi wona na etwe manso no. De omo kan ne say omo hwemu no am de di pefe say enokre. Manso bi wona mmom no enu ni twaka bia enya sunsanso bia wo Fiaprehene'S bi o man hene so. Afe ye ko ba ko na Odomase. Ono nso o kire mu a eye ne papa.
Odomase number 1.
Odomase number 1. Ena de asase ema Fiaprehene'S me de ache no.
Me de ache.
Said ye ne ye di nkomo ani ye kan say ye de chewa. Eno anu no. Enti eno nso ntimi nya nsunsanso bia. Afe ye ko last one ye Odomase na. Eno no ono nso say Fiaprehene'S mom no ese ono na se. Eno nso wo mo say enye wo mo na betimi akere. Say analysis into omo fan ko ba bia omo betimi akere.
We know the earlier report nearby no. Na memi krum the preside no. Ye bua Adomase no for.
Yeah, first one no.
First one no. Na omo can say Fiaprehene'S for no can say. Ya de Fiaprehene'S call court say mom for the earlier report no mra. Dey hwem.
Cause they sankai.
Because near all come enye no kre. Say or no yesum no because our report no or can say no chairman no tran report no so bisa say o so akire da o se da bi
nso so o the allegiance
nti so o allegiance to you say o te wasase so o se da bi nti Adomase se Fiaprehene'S was asase so o so ankire o na ono emfiri ba bi kro wan kwanche no na o be ka kire yes say allegiance to you, no person
it make sense.
And then it makes sense because and then can papa no kra Dormaahene'S number 1 kra na nkoka. You come out no dey
one day me am dey asase.
Me na dey asase chemba so mfa na oteso. What you say? Nti ka how no say. Ne kra say owo allegiance to you. What you say? Na mo one ne ntem no father and son ne ndi
oba ne ejasem.
Oba ne ejasem nti otene ba bi nso ntem ba bi. Nti ka how no say. Entimo this our recommendation we by Fiaprehene'S so on call the appropriate committee. Mono amo matna sem no so no. Committee no research and traditional affairs committee no. Sem mo na matna sem so. Enti niya mu hu ye no.
Ose musi gina ye.
Musi gina ye se niya ye nhwehwemu no ye hu ne se.
Ye ntimi nya na man hene. Ye betimi aye.
Ye ntimi nya na man hene. Ye betimi aye na man hene. Na mam de masema abre no mentabri nko appropriate committee e wo hibio appropriate committee no any manhia
sa
so on fanko ba bi ope
some mo ne regional house of chief no mi some na mo ya appropriate committee a very one mantem ha
mo one mantem ha
some mo ntumi na appropriate committee
na me fanko a
ba bia me so mfi so mo betimi na
ba bia me so mfi se betimi na ndebeko
okay eno no so so ani nyina no se ne me de be ko sante
ene me de be ko sante se mo so mfi aduni na se home film de a me de be ko sante na makọ mfa ahudi afiri ho mem ne ho ne yete ha awu adomase ni Dormaahene'S number 1 ni sunyani ye bom yete ha ye anuanom na se me panumonyam na se ho di nan me de a ene em de be ko ba bi a bebe consider
ebe boa mo nsumu nyina
ebe boa mo nsumu nyina
samo mo yensa mo ya man hene no no so be ya man hene e say obi ade no
obi ade no
enti no obi ye bi man kuru
mo kura sa man hene me yensa no sunyane Dormaahene'S number 1 awu adomase Fiaprehene'S be ka ho na mo ye fo a
mo ayedu
sunyane ho na amote no mo betima atraka ma akọ president ho akọ lobby ma de bi aba ma mo nyina mo di so mfa so
because mo nyina so mo ye surroundings
the same place o ko sunyana obi ankyere wa unhu se Fiaprehene'S obi ankyere wa unhu se Dormaahene'S memte Dormaahene'S number 1 e wo sunyane me yaduma yade mba ho no me ye transfer mba assembly ho duru anam se na Dormaahene'S number 1 no wo he e na number 2 no wo he because corona bom unhu se we ye number 1 e na onam kronum ho adehia no so bia nka se mem ye number 1 ni we so me ya wu Dormaahene'S ni intermarriage na koso amaba warware a chese eno no wonte sa asem no kra nti mu nyina mo ye nipa ba kon na chese nka no ete se ne ayede e friends en bancha bongu musi dabi ma since 2014
10 years
10 good years
say kura say ayimu no try February no try
February
say na say course 11 years
11 years on the metro no sante hene ne ba ho brikum hene na yie no ho no Fiaprehene'S ko chia no say me bai be chia mu kuma say oba ya na nanam problem ni what you ku me be ka ho ma betena kuma say ha ye nyina ha na ye be bodompem ye de nchirafo something man ye nyina ye boa ye na ye chichire ye ndim krata di ndimeba asem no ye titia
asem sa ne ntrase ni
ne na ntrase nyina ni krata ni ekitami manfo bi no ntrase a na onim otumfo ka se fa on krata abra na me ye ho adwuma no hote se Fiaprehene'S ko asante apɛ no mu dimirika soma obi house no soma obi ko Fiaprehene'S Professor Chairman Ponsa kan tell say ene twere wa yino foforo na fabra na process ma no de mfie du
ba ya nkama ye
wo be ya nkama ye
e bia makodu me sa ba na mo
ko sa na mo anya
me de makodu
me da san ko bio edi momam ka hwa no ka hwa won obi nku na kokọ bere kwa
debi
na se mo regional house of chiefs I wo bono hono a caliber like Professor Chairman Ponsa or your vice chancellor
Ghana Telecommunication
or you nipa ketwa
debi
nya mokra na nke se mo twe no be wura mu se won se honi abre na ho te bono ho ayemfo no more pe development there
na mo nya professor
or what's our technical know how we
communication skills.
Communication skills.
And no one abrofu we share.
Or sign your vice chancellor. Yeah. I don't take say mo house num kra no monya man hini bia or your vice chancellor.
Debbie.
Ntinka mo kra mo huruso. Mo huruso. Ho boni buga. Mfie du ni, ho mfi no. No tumfo say near ope bibia kokotoko no.
Yenye na bro.
Yenye na bro.
Benye babro, benye babro.
Benye na bro. Nti onye na bro. Ahuraso ode no ko. Oya eyo ya na otia enkosi hu. Enkosi hu otumfo atene kwakwa. Ode no ko.
Eje se obebo otumfo amane na na otumfo se. Kofa opipa neke.
Fa ode kofa bra. Na meboa mo wa de ho wa ye. Mbade otumfo kan chense anafia predies o ye mba prekwape. Ade no pay independence on krate bibia di adanse say let away cry very bro say ben o record bia o ho say o ye brempon anaso o ye dikru original house of chiefs no because o ye divisional chiefs nka paramount chief no wa gazette nka wo ayo wo dikru kra nka wo ho nka o records wo oni records wo ha dia
o de ne ho
and I just o se fata nti pay their own the response to Fiaprehene'S letter no de buy no eno kra no edi adanse say
pa otumi eye man hene
otumi ye man hene ade na mudi na
ofri say edenti e na regional house of chiefs na ho bono no omutu sa na mo no afei wo mote say waba asante a wo mudi mirika kasa won sa antro ma edi nta da bia ya akwa no
na say eye ne ya
say wo buy status ni bi
wo buy status no bi say o person ye say o ye man hene selfishness ahoya unze
pesemin kuminya no
pesemin kuminya ye subia ebone ma bebre tugu e man nipa nko nanim wa o ye pesemin kuminya no won ko wanim na nipa esese oboa no mane ko nanim no so o mane nko nanim
basahye ade oboa
eti ohene kakraka we kratini kakraka we a o ye vice chancellor na nko hye mumu a ma hemfo na mote okra nti nka oba bi opa admission kra de akọ ya nka unguruzo
na wo bo ade atugu
na wo bo ade atugu se ye hia ko
eje nese akonya beda Ghana Tari University Telecom University na yemfa nipa na ofri se Dormaahene Techimahene Sunyahene wodi nipa ekọ na ohini bi su fra Asante ade nipa ekọ ahwa na obefa no
eno de enti wa say nipa suban ma nipa nkona
etwe abrabo san
yes
ta pese me nkuminya no
ma papa yi one na trankonwa Fiaprehene'S busuafo ho uta say ntim nim ho asempa papa yi twikwa professor yi ne mo mfi no
na yese
enti yankopon kra na ma ne ko hie opem so
pa wo sa bekuma yi na se
na mote se okode a mo delay mo deny nipa no 10 good years mote se okwa Asante no die ne ka mo a modim nika kokko
die na muhu ya
die ne muhu ya
mo te asese o
mo te asese o mre die ne muhu ya let them come and tell us
okay omomi yehu adekro muhu pote se afedi o te se o ba Asante a o mudim nika ka onsan process na o mo
for the past 10 years na mote ho no I don't know mon process
na yese yera Fiaprehene'S Professor Chem Amponsa wanya mfomso bia
mfomso be no waye mfomso be no waye se ode ko bo Fiaprehene'S man mfomso be no waye
enti wo ye Fiaprehene'S ba e wo so mum kra wani naje e de ma ochem
o no Fiaprehene'S o esese wo wani je e de ma Professor Chem Amponsa o te ase because mo Fiaprehene'S for mun konwa saase so the whole region university say wo ho 3 Nena Brekum College of Education abeka ho 84 no emu 2 esi Fiaprehene'S konwa asase so UNE
ai
Catholic University and also si Fiaprehene'S for asase so what you say na chese sukupon akese pa mienu si ho ena nyame aboa mo Fiaprehene'S for mo sukupon so manyamu ono sukupon headmaster okodi mo he ni binum bahu ni bre be hwe ni credentials na ekita no a anu ehye nti ye mo ne buga
pa ya hwe ni ye mane kwan na
ye mane kwan na
obaba betan ye so
very good nti ye nya ne ketwa
onna so anwofo mo
enne so amofo na Fiapre fo mo akoso atran mo ABC e o ha benim a me ka kirebe sa bofre so abusua no abete wa binom nya be nyina o ta se mu nyina so mu kohia e bofra se abusuafo nyina sante ne kan sa asem yi no ofra mu nyina se ade no de nyame aboa yen ade amfie duye pa ye nya no sante ne do de be me yekwa mo nyina abusuafo no nyina bo ho nsam pra sante no mu boje ne so e o Fiapre ni fi ho na mne binom akoti tachire
sa twitwa ase
twitwa ase ne mo ye ne nkosi hu
okay
nkosi hu
okay sante hene enya agiatum se de wagiatum because enkomodidiem ne ne mate no enche obi antimi entwensan bi mo
o twa o be da twan se onche wase otena sase so
te se nipa omitimi atwan se a ne Fiapre hene na no baka sa fe de me kra me
this obi a one ne hema o ta se
okay
one ne hema no bitum batwan sare
nya sa obi no obetimi se metie
ne hema so wa America oba sima fefe pa utuma ugina utum se oye oba ugina brane na monya professor nka mo kra mu ntuche ma
wow
ndi wa obi nku na kokobere kwa
sa
obi enku na kokobere kwa ne ebe ye no enkosi hu ensi hu adechie Fiapre obegye ne manhene obeba house ho
okay
obeba house ho
enti se santehene wie na afede ne krakra wanya ne manhene na Stella obeko Bono traditional council na akosoma na
Bono regional house of chiefs.
Bono regional house of chiefs.
That's all origin num.
Okay. Name was Asanteman council share
Asanteman council. Yes.
Okay.
Se mra no kire se. Ohini bi untimi mfiri. Region foforo mu enkoye region foforo mu member of that regional house of chiefs.
Okay.
But Asanteman council no muntie ni ye. Asanteman council no de. Eye sante hene na atiniku. Region no de. Regional house of chiefs no constitution no na establish it.
Okay.
Regional house of chiefs. Any traditional council, regional house of chiefs, national house of chiefs. And now, ndiye Asante regional house of chiefs. Eye different from Asanteman council.
Okay.
Asanteman council no de. Eye voluntary association. Eye kuo bi Asante hinate.
Wow, pebia utimbe.
Wow, pebia utimbe.
Emfa hone mantama wo.
Emfa hone babi owo. Wo wasrem kra op utimbe join.
Okay.
It is Commonwealth. Commonwealth Association. Britain for say your former British colonies. And Britain bobo after decolonization. Now, why establish it? Sa Commonwealth no. But ne Gabon
munyina ya
Gabon munyina yeah francophone countries kra e ko join ni
open kwa
obekwa ko join ni because yeku awate a o ko join na benefit bi o so nza kan bi
okay
because when him say British monarch no we are city na sem
pa de obeka bia
they control America because omo colonize America. Washington DC no are fighting for independence no a British soldier George Washington what I say 80 Britain for ne America for what to say sa amani mienu ni wiase be di so nti obi anim se ndem hu nkobo Britain
abo bia nso bedo sa de usua preko
mo ndem hu nkobo Britain me pa de bi aba me mani ma me nya ntem be ye fo amame nti francophone countries ni they are now trooping there
sana Asanteman council
sana Asante ye freedom of association bi no obi se me kode a
obi antimi nso
obi antimi ensi no kwa na mbom no region num no and the house of chiefs no there it belongs to constitutionally belongs to the members of
that region
na
eho okwa a wo ntimi mpam no
o pam no say
ebra makwan sa ho
wo be ida pam no Abaina Gazette na Jenatum say or your Paramount chief.
Okay, to also be or Tana
Yes, or Tana region.
Regional House of Chiefs.
Yes.
I was so account.
I also account region. Over that Gaza on Yenuntum. Regional House of Chiefs, no regional House of the President now to one. Yaw now take no.
Oh, okay. A mamrano.
A mamrano the tikuno. Into wow, you're president now or
anybody.
What to papa. So now you're president. No, be no your president, the Tutiano, and or do buy. At the chess, we bet my 20 year money per frappa. I am put say about 1 year. About a way a statutory body. I war. You cannot say oh yini panuntum. What do you mean by say oh yini panuntum?
Okay.
Kono ya there. Ya buying a constitution no. Ya oh why? One you know to or do court or do court so obe wini ube differ.
Simple kra.
Ube differ.
Okay. I was here for
Prof. Say, ye ka say ye free university graduates. University graduates, ye free ye tikobi ha. Na say Legon foba, Tech foba, no be free UCC. Oba no aka tell say, o there who free UCC ntino, onye university graduate.
Ndi no koy.
Ono dia no koy.
Wow.
Dia no koy.
Wonderful. Now say Prof, amamre, amanye, emra, eni bibiye muno ensi Prof. Ochem. Prof. Ochem. Yana metade onebapa. Prof. Chem. Amponsa. Ekwan. Se otimi beye Paramount chief. Ewo Ghana.
Bibiansi no kwai. Bibiansi no kwai.
Okay.
Se wompa obi pe. Papa we o de henimdia nyame de amane kita no.
Pa.
Na wawuram senka mokra mo dehye bonofo mo dehye. Arise.
Nanim so nyam.
Nanim o nyam. I think say apart from one Professor Bene ne vice chancellor. Second one ni awonya vice chancellor. Nka mokra mo trimude bi senka. O be kam ho house ho kra no. What I say? Mu piapia no.
Mokra na nka wase na nka mo try say baby awakunya edudie wo say ye o
very good.
Enti ye na keka ne mabom. Na emom ono omom di aba.
No o di aba. What I say? Na mo say si ni kwan. Santehene afa o de okọ yesu obi ope bibia kokoto no ye na bro atene kwakwa o ya ye wo hia ubesua rawu enkosi hu
medase Irajman. Ya menshira. Abusia ahana enkoma beni bebedi ye no so bedi besie enti no said historian kan no wase Santehene ba fa bedi koda da enti se be na se bentiase a ene e court ne wono be mfa nko court ne ehwe court kro so a be betena so na betimi edi sa asemi ohodom midi ne abusia pani owusu aduomi aha ene yedi nkomotwetwe we nso esie midi se asuade bebre wom abusia enti se de manugu so ameka na abrabo mu de ba ko amede eye futuo na mede atumfo sa asemu ene se sabia ko to se wo ye odefo ewo abusia bi mu a o sonkrofo asene na omo nso be kan ho ewo soro ho no ma eboa emamu nyina no mutimi boa emane ma konkan na emamu ye wadwen se wonko abese kontakre no watua mu a ede asodie kese pa ene de bebrewa wanhwe ya wawo ma na enso ye wadwen se wo de wo ye kabia nka ebedu baabi no mu nyina ahwete na omo firi nchen na aka wonko a ena wote wonom enti nananom amwo bono emantem mfanya afutuo na mfantu asemwei ebi koso ewo ofen so ewo Asanteman teman ma ekowi achi ye kokot ya sa agba achire se fa ko dan nananom ohene bi kan asem bi wo manhia wo se wo de asem ne kokot na judge ni bua ma owi a na otokotokuro na de ama judge no na wo swai na wo de achire no na akodi wo hene ewo court honom yedi si ya soro so e ho nyina mo ene hwa oje ahene wa abusia panyi enimidi
ye dey
kura preko enim sebe odwampupu bi esi kuro ni mu a wase wadoro sra
tanyini wantena fie ema aseduamfo
blani pie frimantam bahin se pin enye nkwandewa na yesotro no wa
ansa na odi asebe fita na no makode brensi am wa otua ne nsem mojabumo ni hu duanani wie klaman wo ye sofo kra wonye ye bi
tonte ye no nsa na ye fa
Nyansapo
aboa ntakra na mane yakese na ntakra aboa ne de fanyinam kwatere kwa
wada woro ma ntoma ye fe ni din de sey ni din de Obama
akola wa no so pese utrimu usuma ense bratam
se fanfam ne honhon hia na America sa
sebe ka ya twa ni mu nyame nai ebu afa so enye de ya twa ni mu twa nyame